ZettaBlock allows you to export data via a multitude of ways to your own environment. Some of these ways include CSV file download from writing your own query and exporting the data to your environment. You can access that data via API, REST or GraphQL through pre-built APIs or your own custom API. You can, if you're an enterprise user, access the data through an ETL pipeline directly to your data warehouse or your database. And soon you'll be able to access that data via webhooks. For data scientists, you can quickly connect to our data lake via Jupyter Notebook and run your own machine learning models there or play around with the data. Going into more detail, CSV download limit directly from our UI gives you access to about 5 megabytes per query run. With our analytics API access, you get about 10 API calls per second, but that includes any kind of exploratory query or heavier analytics query that you would want to bring to your own environment. For a transactional GraphQL API, you can have up to 1K API calls per second. That is served through our GraphQL interface, and you can build kind of any API based on your own transformation logic. And our ETL pipeline that is specifically for enterprise users doesn't have any limits, as ZettaBlock helps you scale up and down based on your demands and needs.